How to fix error code 232600. This video file cannot be played. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this error. First of all, let's clear that these steps are applicable to Google Chrome web browser. Now let's proceed. Suppose you are playing this video, then reload this page and check whether the video works. The next thing you can do is click on three dots, scroll down, select settings, go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, go to the advanced tab, click on last hour for time range and select all time. Check all the boxes except password and other sign in data and autofill from data and click on delete data. Then check if the video plays smoothly. If the issue still persists, then disable browser extensions. Click on the extensions tab. In this page, turn off all the extensions. Then check if the video works. If the error code 232600 still appears, then again go to settings, click on the system tab, turn off this option, use graphics acceleration when available. Click on relaunch and then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then reset all settings of Google Chrome, click on reset settings, click on restore settings to the original defaults and select reset settings. Check if the video is running smoothly. The next method you can try is uninstall antivirus software. If you are running third-party antivirus program, then uninstall it temporarily or disable it. If you want to uninstall it, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, find the third-party antivirus program in the list. To be fair, I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on three dots, select Uninstall. Again click on Uninstall. If any uninstall wizard appears, follow the on-screen instructions and then restart your computer. You can also try to run the same video in incognito mode to check whether the issue is fixed. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.